Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on FIFA Mobile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA Mobile game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in or sign up to create your new account. And you might be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels if this is the first time that you are playing. After completing the basic levels for tutorial, you will gain access to the main menu, and you will also be allowed to choose your home team and set up your username. Now, from the main menu, if you wish to delete your account, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then scroll all the way down and you will see account deletion. This is the only option if you have accidentally set up a wrong username. Go ahead and tap on this button, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. You will be told that all of your purchases will also be deleted. You can tap on the continue button and you might be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your associated email address for your EA account. After proceeding forward and entering the verification code to verify your identity, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from the FIFA Mobile game right away. After this step, if you log back in within another 2 weeks, your deletion will be cancelled and your account will be reactivated once again. However, if you don't log back in for 2 weeks, your account will now be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.